Hey guys, I'm Liron. I'm the support manager here at Coldture, and this video is a guide on how to use CLR to remove mineral deposits on your chiller on a quarterly basis. The first step is to create our solution. We're going to be using 3 liters of CLR and 1 liter of water. To find the CLR, go to the description in the video. We're going to want to use a bucket for this procedure because we don't want to have to clean out our tub afterwards. We want to remove our filter from our filter bottle. The reason why we want to do this is because the filter is going to catch onto the CLR and make it harder for it to run through the system. Your filter bottle holds 1 liter of water, so fill it up to the top and pour it into your bucket as your water part of the mixture. Next, fill up your filter bottle with your CLR. We want to do this 3 times in order to get our 3 liters of CLR. Once you're finished pouring in your CLR to your bucket, reattach your filter bottle onto your chiller. Next, we want to turn on the chiller and set the temperature to 42 degrees. Turn the chiller on and allow the CLR to circulate through the system for approximately 45 minutes. Do not leave the CLR solution circulating for too long. 45 minutes is long enough to remove any buildup or scale within the system. To ensure optimal performance and maintain warranty coverage, a full CLR treatment must be done every 6 months. Remove the extra CLR from your filter bottle. We want to do so because this is going to make the process of draining of the CLR much faster. After emptying the bottle, use water to rinse out any remaining CLR and then screw it back into the chiller. The next step is to fill up your bucket with water. We want to run the chiller through the bucket, and we want to continuously run it until we no longer see any CLR or bubbles forming in the water. For us, this takes around 4 buckets to get through it, and then at that point we know that we have clear water. And there you have it. Now enjoy your clean Coldture tub.